one. Immediately, both teams are picking up a ton of green cubes. Chiller is knocking off the red while they're doing it. Stay at home, he's getting some more greens. Still taking the purples as well. And it looks like both teams are getting tons of cubes into their systems. Stay at home, he's knocking off that last red off the post. As we get to 35 seconds, he can now switch drivers. And it looks like the Chillers have a ton of green cubes in their system. Are they going to be able to score them? You must now switch drivers. Stay at home, he's looking to score some purples. They get them in. Lifting up, scoring a ton of greens into that last goal. Chillers, 10 seconds left. Can they score these greens? Oh my goodness, that is a ton of greens with 5 seconds left. Can they get the partial mark? Very high scoring match for these two alliances. All right, we're going to this next